Hello, home concern. My name is Qari Abdul Majid. I usually call myself Abdul Majid Qari. I am recording my videos on two channels. So one channel is JMRL Islamic Institute. In this channel, all the videos are about the different opinion of the people on the Quran or on Islam. That's education for the young girls, young boys, and against the hatred, for the love and the harmony. And my second channel is called Zawke Quran. And in that channel, I talk about why is hatred come in the humanity or in Muslim community or any community. And the reason some people think because of these are the command of the Quran. Someone can say anything what he like. And I clear that point in my second station, which is called Zawke Quran. I usually discuss misconception understanding the Quran, how the people are misunderstanding the true message. So these are the two stations. I own it. I put my all the work there. I know there is many people who copies and put my videos, my speeches on their channels. They can be tens, they can be dozens, may sometimes they can be 100. But my official channel is JMRL Islamic Institute and Zawke Quran. From your team, if anybody want to contact about my programs, then you can contact in these two channels. Not care about the others who put my 2 videos or 10 or 5 videos on their program. I'm sure this information, it will be enough for the YouTube or for the YouTube team. But thank you very much. Your rules are really good and they are safeguard for all the people, and we also thanks your deep understanding, your caring for everyone, and especially for our 2 YouTube stations. Thank you very much, boys and girls, to your team. Bye.